Now, several civil society organizations, including Kimax, Mayond, Laimarol, Chanura, Lamjinglup, Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign, Kirka, Manipur, and civil society organizations, Konglei Park, and student bodies, including MSU, SSUM, Suk, Apunba Irepak Mahairoi Singpang Lup, AIMS, and Thado Students Associations have strongly condemned the mob assault on Cocomi member Mayengbom Somorjit Luwang. The organizations termed the act as highly deplorable and unacceptable, stating that such violence against individuals working for society undermines collective efforts to address the ongoing crisis in the state. The organization urged those involved in the assault to come forward and issue public apology while appealing to community elders and civil society leaders to intervene and adopt reformative approach. Extending solidarity to Somorjit, the organizations also called on the public to support education, strengthen economic activities, and build collective resilience amid the challenges faced by indigenous communities.